If I'm a manufacturer using Salesforce or planning to use Salesforce, what are the big concepts I should focus on and prioritize to get the most out of the solution?
Yeah, so I guess the most important thing to manufacturers is we all know cash is king. There's always a fine line between minimizing inventory and minimizing lead times. Too much inventory, you're burning cash. Not enough, your lead times are super long and your customers may go elsewhere. So forecasting is critical for any manufacturer. You have to have the most accurate possible sales forecast so that you can arm and communicate with your operations team and your supply team to make sure that it'll have the right products at the right time in the right amount. And it's almost impossible to do that without a good sales tool to collect all this information from your sales team and make sure that you're industrializing your whole own sales process to make sure that you have all of those key metrics in place.
All right. So I know there's more. So you talked about the one key concept, which is the forecasting. What would be the second, third key concepts that you'd also focus on?
Yeah. So the other key concepts, just at the high level, and every manufacturing company is looking or has already integrated an ERP. So you will need to make sure that you have a very, very good back-end system and a very, very good front-end system. And you need to make sure you take the best of breed of both, right? So that's integrations to ERPs, choosing the right ERP, and looking at your Salesforce process is really critical. The third, I guess, high-level concept is user adoption. So any sales tool that you bring in place, you need to make sure that you're going to have the best adoption possible. So you need a tool that's going to be super simple, that people are going to love to use, and make their life easier. So that's the third concept. And then I guess the fourth key concept is channel management. As a manufacturer, maybe you're selling directly to end customers. Maybe you're selling through distributors. Maybe you're selling through integrators or value-added resellers. So you may have multiple channels. And that's another big challenge that you have to think about.